The Office 365 Admin Center makes it easy for an administrator to deploy Office add-ins to users and groups within their organization. For the lightweight email inspector, Mr. Post, here we demonstrate how to do it. First of all, you should be an Office 365 administrator. Select the app launcher icon in the upper left and choose Administration Entry. In the navigation menu, press Show More. Then choose Settings, Services and Add-ins. Click Deploy Add-in and click Next. Choose I want to add an add-in from the Office store. Search Mr. Post. Click Add button. Click Next. And next, you can choose to deploy to everyone or specific users, groups. Save the manifest and wait a while. Great! You have finished the central deployment. Mr. Post, Lightweight Email Inspector. Find Mr. Post in Google or Microsoft App Stores.